Okay, finally this project here is done. after 6 months. When I first started this project, was rebuilding it. It was 6 months ago. This is my bookkeeper's house, and I told her, this was a comp. There was no money involved. I just said, I'll do this in my spare time. So now I just finished, of course, painting the dark brown, and then painting the deck itself in a semi-solid oil in that gray. Turned out real nice, man. Good contrast in colors. And also these aluminum pickets, they go real well with this deck. Created a little border right along here. Put rock underneath it, of course vapor barrier, and then just put a line of mulch on the outside right here. Painted the wooden top caps, and painted those. And then we have these LED night lights to finish off the top of it. And these aluminum pickets are really, really, to me, nice. I like them. Easy to install. They look great. And only thing I have to do is I have to do some basic touch up right to the edges of everything. Right along in here, that's it. Just back brush all these little crevices and create a straight line right through here. So I'm out of paint completely. I mean, literally down to two cans are empty. But the exterior is 99.5% done. And yeah, it took 6 months. Not purposeful. It wasn't intentional. It's just the way it came, the way it happened. And see, there we go, all the rock. A lot of rock. Create a little border. Bags of mulch. This retains moisture and stays where you put it. That's right, Cypress blend. Pretty nice color. Goes real well. This brown goes real well with this brown. And then, of course, these are gray. And then the deck is gray. There we go. Now, if you're wondering, of course, all of this was done with a 3.5-inch tapered horsehair brush. And I installed all these aluminum pickets and also had to install both the handrail on both sides. These weren't here. So I started this yesterday morning. So to give you an idea, it took me 2 solid days, about 16 hours of working on it constantly to get it to this state here, because it was all raw wood. Nothing's been painted or stained. So it turned out real nice, man. Turned out real nice. Give it a modern country look to the house. I think it blends in real well. In fact, I didn't even really notice this, but the roof shingles are kind of a light brown, got a lot of brown in it. And so does, see, look at that. See, it's got brown in it. Perfect. It actually matches the trim color for the post and handrails. How about that? And of course, the base, all that. Hey, that's pretty cool, man. Okay. Well, you saw what I saw. So this turns out real good. Nice profile. Yeah, that's a good contrast, man. Well, what do you think, guys? It took 6 months. This was a comp for my bookkeeper. And I told her I'd get it done this year. This year, but it's done now. What do you think? Does old Tom still got it or what? Leave those comments down below. Love you guys. Subscribe to the channel. You know what to do. I'll talk with you tonight. Tom, out of here.